Fine, we'll start with discount commission today. Okay, let me know if anybody can tell me what do you mean by discount. Raise your hand if you all want to answer.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Abhinaya.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello. Hello, yes, Abhinaya. Hello, yes, Shreya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shreya.
Hello.
You can hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Can you explain to me what is discount?
Sir, to lower the price from the real one.
Acha. How do you come to know which is the real price?
Sir, if there is
When you go to a shopping place, how do you come to know what the real price is?
Sir, by seeing the tag.
So if you're buying, let's say, a chocolate,
Yes.
something is written on that, no? MRP करके.
Yes, MRP.
Let's say ₹100.
Okay.
फिर discount रहेगा तो it is slashed like this and it is written ₹90.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes.
So this in our lesson, this which is the written price, we'll call it as mark price. What are we going to call it?
Mark price.
Mark price means the price that is written on the product. Okay. And this ये जो mark price काट के लिखा है, this ₹90, that is called as selling
Discount?
price.
Selling price. Okay.
ठीक है?
Yes.
अच्छा, you by mistake said 90 rupees is discount. 90 rupees is not the discount. Discount उसको बोलते हैं कितना रुपीस कम हुआ है. How much has reduced? ₹100 is the mark price जो लिखा हुआ था. ₹90 is the selling price जिसमें हम लोग बेच रहे हैं. यही एग्जाम्पल में डिस्काउंट कितना है? Discount means कितना कम, how much rupees have you reduced?
That I don't know. 5%?
No, I'm not asking percent. I'm asking how much rupees is reduced. 100 rupees का चीज अगर मैं 90 rupees में बेच रहा हूँ, तो can I say it is 10 rupees का discount?
Yes.
तो इसको देख के आपको एक फॉर्मूला समझ में आ रहा है? Can I say mark price we get by adding these two?
Yes.
So what is the formula? Mark price
is equal to selling price plus discount.
You understood this formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more formula we'll learn is जो आपको confusion था percentage का अलग formula रखते हैं. डिस्काउंट परसेंट, ठीक है?
हम्म।
डिस्काउंट परसेंट, परसेंट का मतलब, डू यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस परसेंटेज?
Sorry, sir.
परसेंटेज मीन्स अपॉन 100,
Upon 100, yes.
ठीक है? तो whenever I'm discussing discount percent, कोई चीज का परसेंट का बात चल रहा है, that is upon 100. It is the
okay.
same as discount upon mark price,
Mark price.
ठीक है? ये दूसरा फॉर्मूला है. इट्स लाइक सेइंग कि अब अगर सोचो आपको 900 का कोई चीज खरीदना है
हम्म.
और 90 रुपीज का डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, मतलब मार्क प्राइस 900 था, अभी डिस्काउंट
हाँ.
90 रुपीज उसमें से कम कर दिया है. तो यू नो हाउ वी कैलकुलेट द परसेंटेज? वी कैन डिवाइड दीज टू. अभी अगर मैं कैंसिल करूं तो 9 1 जा बच गया. कैन यू सी दिस? हेलो श्रेया, हेलो. Okay. Just a second. Okay, let's try Ishan.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding the two formulae that we have discussed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this let us not get into it now. I want you all to write these two, then we'll discuss this in the sum. Okay, so students, I want everyone to write these two formulae. Today we'll be using these two formulae only. Fine. So Ishan, whenever you're done writing, tell me, then we'll move on to the sum with you.
Sir, done.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Ishan, done.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So students, I want everyone to come to 9.1 practice set, and we'll be starting with the first sum. Okay, Ishan, can you read the first sum?
Yes, sir. 1 second. Sir, if mark price is 1,700 rupees,
Hmm.
selling price is equals to 1,540, then find the discount.
Okay. So first tell me what are the two things that are given.
So mark price and selling price.
Mark price is equal to how much?
1,700.
1,700. If you all don't want to write the symbol, you all can even write it as rupees RS dot 1,700. Your choice. Both are correct. Yes. And what else is given?
Sir, selling price is equals to
Selling price is equal to.
1,540 rupees.
Okay. And what is asked?
Sir, discount is asked.
So out of the two formulae, which should we use?
Discount is equals to discount upon mark price.
नहीं, but वो formula में selling price नहीं है.
Sir, so we can do mark price minus selling price is equal to discount.
Okay. So basically the first formula that I had given was mark price is equal to selling price plus discount. Okay. Now you all can learn it this way or you all can learn it in any other way. Any other way means if I shift, अब मुझे discount चाहिए. जो चाहिए उसको अकेला बनाना पड़ेगा. तो if I keep discount here and if I take selling price on that side, then what will I get?
Discount
Yes.
is equals to mark price minus selling price.
Discount is equal to, if I take selling price there, I'll get mark price
Minus selling price.
minus selling price. So if you all want to learn this formula, that is also okay. कोई भी एक फॉर्म याद रखो, दूसरा अपने आप आगे पीछे करके मिल जाएगा. So tell me the two values again, Ishan.
Sir, 1,700 minus 1,540.
Which is equal to
Sir, 160.
160. So when I'm solving, I don't write the unit and everything. Now I will write finally. Therefore, discount is equal to rupees 160. Understood how to present the sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Ishan. Let me move on to Parla now. Arva. Arya Jadhav from Vikhroli. Is that? What happened to Arva? Ruby Gada.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Dhruvi, can you read the second sum?
If mark price is 990 and percentage of the discount is 10, then find the selling price.
Achha, now tell me what are the two things that are given?
Mark price and discount.
Mark price is how much?
990.
990 rupees.
So
And what else is given?
discount.
Discount is how much?
10 rupees.
Rupees 10. Are you sure it's not discount percent?
Yes, miss. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Just 1 second. Let me check.
The percentage.
Dhruvi, is it rupees 10 or is it 10%?
Sorry, 10%.
So discount percent is equal to 10% because they said percentage of discount is
Yes.
10%. Acha, then what are they asking?
Then find the selling price.
Okay. Selling price you want to find.
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me which formula should we use?
Mark price minus selling.
Acha, but वो use करने के लिए, if I want to use that, see I'm writing short form now. Mark price is equal to selling price plus discount, correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
When I say, do we know this?
No, sir.
Mark price. Do we
Yes,
know mark
sir.
price?
Yes, sir.
Do we know selling price?
No, sir.
Do we know discount?
Yes, sir.
Discount percent पता है. Discount थोड़ी पता है.
Yes, sir. No, we don't know.
We know percent. We don't know rupees वाला discount. So दो चीज नहीं पता है, then we cannot use this formula. Okay? If
Okay, sir.
यहाँ पे अगर एक चीज नहीं पता रहता, we can find that. But अगर दोनों चीज नहीं पता, then we can't use
So
it.
we can't. Yes.
So tell me what is the second formula?
Selling price minus mark price.
That is, I made you write two formulae right in the beginning.
Yes, sir.
Discount percent वाला एक formula बताया था.
Yes, sir.
What was that?
Sir, actually, I wrote it.
So tell me now what you've written.
1 second.
Okay, I'll tell you again.
Yes, sir.
Discount percent upon 100 is equal to discount.
Discount into mark price.
Discount into नहीं, discount upon mark price.
Sorry, mark.
ठीक है.
Yes,
Now
sir.
out of this, tell me, do you know this?
Yes, sir.
How much?
10%.
10, सिर्फ 10 लिखेंगे चलेगा. Here we won't write units and all. Denominator में 100 है.
Yes.
Discount नहीं पता है.
Yes, sir.
Mark price कितना है?
Price 990.
990. If I want to find this, can I take it there?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा 990 यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो रहा है, उधर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? जो राइट में डिवाइड हो रहा है वो लेफ्ट में क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लाई होगा या डिवाइड होगा?
Multiply.
किससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा? 10 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा या 100 से?
10.
So I'll get 10 into 990 upon 100
Yes.
is equal to discount. कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है?
0.
एक जीरो इधर कैंसिल हो रहा है, और कुछ हो रहा है?
No, sir.
अरे एक और जीरो नहीं दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
ये जीरो कैंसिल होगा तो डिस्काउंट का वैल्यू कितना है?
9.
What is? हाँ
191.
191 क्या? 1 into 99 is 99 no?
हाँ. Yes,
अच्छा,
sir.
सम इज ओवर और नॉट ओवर?
Over.
आपको सेलिंग प्राइस मिल गया?
No, sir.
सेलिंग प्राइस ढूंढना है ना, वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस.
Yes.
So how to find selling price now? We have found discount. Now can we use this formula?
Yes, sir. Now we
अब
can
डिस्काउंट
do
भी
the
पता है तो सेलिंग प्राइस मिल
selling
जाएगा.
price also we can do.
अच्छा, इसमें अगर अरेंज करना है तो सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? अगर डिस्काउंट उधर लेके जाएंगे तो व्हाट विल द फॉर्मूला बिकम? प्लस डिस्काउंट उधर जाएगा तो क्या होगा?
All this is... Sir, I didn't understood actually.
दिस फॉर्मूला कैन यू सी?
Yes, sir.
कैन यू रीड दैट फॉर्मूला फुल फॉर्म के साथ?
Mark price is equal to selling price plus discount.
तो अभी डिस्काउंट और मार्क प्राइस दोनों पता है ना,
Yes.
तो प्लस अगर इस यही फॉर्मूला को मुझे अरेंज करना है क्योंकि मुझे
Yes.
सेलिंग प्राइस ढूंढना है, इसको अकेला रखते हैं. तो डिस्काउंट अगर मैं उधर लेके जाता हूँ प्लस डिस्काउंट,
Yes.
उधर जाएगा तो क्या लिखूंगा?
Discount plus mark price.
दैट इज रॉन्ग. मार्क प्राइस ऑलरेडी है यहाँ पे, सो आई विल कीप इट एज मार्क प्राइस. बट व्हेन डिस्काउंट गोज देयर, प्लस डिस्काउंट राइट में जाएगा तो माइनस डिस्काउंट होगा.
Okay, sir.
ओके, नाउ टेल मी
Yes.
व्हाट इज मार्क प्राइस का वैल्यू?
Mark price का value 9.
सम चेंज थोड़ी हो गया, यही है ना?
990.
990 माइनस डिस्काउंट कितना है?
10%.
बट डिस्काउंट परसेंट नहीं चाहिए इधर, रुपीज में हम लोग ने ढूंढ के रखा है ना
99.
99. तो माइनस करके बताओ आंसर क्या आ रहा है?
900. नहीं. Sorry. 800 and 799.
800 and 799.
799 only.
799 कैसे? 990 माइनस 99 इधर कैसे सब्ट्रैक्ट किया?
Sir, sorry, I thought it is 900. That's why. Hello?
Yes, quickly subtract and tell me the answer.
Yes. Sir, 1 minute.
Sorry?
Sir, 1 minute.
Hello, I can't hear you.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 891.
I'll just subtract and show it to you all. I'll carry forward. So 10 minus 9 is 1. I'll again carry forward. 18 minus 9 is 9. So I'll get 891. So selling price is equal to rupees 891. Okay. I hope everyone has understood this. Okay, let me try Dinesh next from DN Nagar. Hello, Dinesh. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello,
Yes.
sir.
Dinesh, can you read the question? Third sum.
Sir, question is that
Hello, Dinesh.
yes, sir. Sir, I am telling. Sir, I am telling.
Okay, let's try Omkar from Chamber.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, yes, Omkar. Can you read the third sum?
Yes, sir. If selling price is equals to rupees 900, discount is 20%, then find the mark price.
Okay. So tell me what all is given.
Selling price,
Selling price
rupees 900.
900. Okay.
Discount percent,
Discount percent
20%.
20%.
And we have to find the mark price.
Okay. Mark price has to be found.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me which formula we should start with? I'll write the first formula here. What is the first formula?
Mark price is equals to selling price plus discount.
Okay. Now check.
Okay.
Here, do you know selling price?
Yes, sir.
Do you know mark price?
No.
Do you know discount?
No.
So दो
So we
चीज
can't.
नहीं पता है, we cannot use this. So we'll have to
No,
jump to
sir.
the second formula.
Yes, sir.
What is the
Which
second
was
formula?
discount percent
Discount percent
upon 100
hmm,
is equals to discount upon mark price.
count upon mark price.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Oh,
now
yeah.
tell me the values. Discount percentage
20 upon 100,
20. Yes.
but we don't know any of the other
Discount
things. Oh, yeah. Okay. Discount upon.
upon,
Mark price.
let's write it as MP.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
you're right. So here what we will do rather is, let's come back to this formula.
Okay.
Coming back to this, it is mark price
Price.
is equal to selling price
Selling
is how
price.
much?
Rupees 900.
900
Yes.
plus discount.
Yes. Discount, which is not given at
Correct?
this point. Yes, sir.
Achha, tell me now, what are we supposed to find?
Mark price.
If you're supposed to find mark price, no, let mark price be as it is over here. Don't
Okay.
change that.
Okay.
But if I get rid of discount here, discount के जगह पे अगर मैंने mark price बना दिया, then I can
Okay.
solve and get mark price. Basically, see, I should not have two unknown things here.
Okay.
वो चीज नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. एक ही चीज unknown रहना चाहिए. Unknown मतलब जो हम लोग को ढूंढना है.
So we can substitute selling price instead of.
Correct. So what we'll do over here is, let us find what is discount here. So अगर discount
Okay.
ढूंढना है तो what will it become? Discount
is
is
equals
equal to, अगर मैं
mark
900 उधर लेके जाता हूँ तो I'll get it as, you are correct.
minus. Yeah,
mark
mark
price
price minus 900. Yes.
So now instead of discount, can I substitute this
Where?
in this?
Yes, we can.
समझ में आ रहा है, मैं दोनों फॉर्मूला को साथ में यूज कर रहा हूँ. First
Okay.
I started with this,
Yes, sir.
and then where I got stuck, I went back to my first formula, और वहाँ पे I'm going to substitute discount now.
Okay.
So I'm going to get 20 upon 100 Okay, let me cancel here. Can I cancel
Yes.
110?
Yes.
2
2
ones
ones
are
are 2 fives are
okay. Is equal to discount का जगह पे क्या लिखें?
900, which is the selling price.
हाँ, discount का जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे?
Oh, okay. Mark price minus 900.
Minus 900
900.
upon mark price.
Mark price. So
Correct.
yes. So
Okay.
I think the mark price will go right.
Now
Will it?
see this full thing has become 1 upon 5 now.
Yes.
Can you cross multiply?
Like 1 upon 5 into.
Cross multiply is mark price will go and multiply with 1 and 5 will go and
Five.
multiply with this.
Okay.
Cross कर रहे हैं ना? So
Okay.
when MP goes and multiplies there, what will I get?
MP upon.
MP into 1 is MP only.
Yes.
Why upon? Now 5 will go there, no?
Okay. Is equals to
Equal to
5 MP
5 bracket में I'll write MP
MP
minus
minus 900.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you open this bracket?
Can I open it? Yes.
Opening the bracket means 5 will multiply with MP also, 5 will multiply with 900.
900. So 5
What is-
MP.
5 into MP is 5 MP
5 MP
minus
minus
5
and
9
5 are 4,500.
4,500.
500.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now can you see MP 2 बार आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
तो सारे MPs को साथ में लेके आओ और नंबर को दूसरी तरफ लेके जाओ.
Okay.
So what
So-
I'll do is I'll take this to the left and MP to the right.
Okay.
So I'm continuing over here
4,500.
because minus 4,500 when it comes
Yes,
to the
will
left, it becomes plus.
plus. Yes.
So 4,500
4,500.
5 MP that
5 MP
already
minus MP.
very good.
Yes.
So
So
4,500 is
500
equal
is
to
equals
what is
to
this subtraction?
4 MP.
4 MP. 5
Yes.
MP minus 1 MP is 4
is
MP.
4 MP.
Sorry. तो अगर मुझे MP अभी ढूंढना है तो can I take
Yes.
4 here?
Yes.
4
Yes,
and
yes, yes.
MP क्या हो रहा है?
4. They are
Multiply,
getting
divide.
multiplied. So it
So it will come here.
4,500 upon 4. MP is
So
equals
I'll
to
get 4,500 upon 4.
upon 4. Okay, I'll
Correct? Let us
quickly do.
cancel with 2 first. पहले 2 से cancel करो.
So 2 2s are 4.
2 2s are 2 how much are?
2 2s are
Again how much are?
2 2s are and 1 is
1
left.
carry forward.
Yes.
So 2 how much are? 10.
5s are
और फिर एक 0 बच गया.
0. Yes.
वापस करते हैं.
Okay.
2 ones
So
are
2 1s are 1s are
1s are
1s are
1s are
2s are again
2s are
and
1
then
carry forward.
yes 5s are.
So can I say finally the mark price is equal
Is
to
equals to rupees 1125.
1125.
Yes, sir.
You understood this?
Yes, sir.
Fine. I'll go quickly over this again.
Okay.
First we write the given and then we see that okay, so out of these things, out of the 3 things, let me try it in the first formula. The first formula में मैंने देखा, I realized कि एक ही चीज पता है, बाकी दोनों चीज नहीं पता है, तो I will not use that. Okay, I'll come to my second formula. In the second formula again I realize the same thing. इधर भी 2 चीज नहीं पता था, डिस्काउंट और मार्क प्राइस दोनों नहीं पता था. So I stopped here. यहाँ पर मैं रुक गया. I went back to the first formula. I wrote it again. I substituted it and I made sure कि discount गायब हो जाए इधर से. If in the sum they would have asked me for discount, then मैं mark price को गायब करता था. जो चाहिए उसको गायब नहीं करना है, जो नहीं चाहिए उसको गायब करना है. तो here what I did was discount को गायब करना है, तो discount का value I found. It was MP minus 900. And wherever discount was there, I put MP minus 900 and I cross multiplied and solved it. Okay. There'll be more sums like this. So when we do that, तब उसका practice हो जाएगा. Fine. I hope everyone has understood this. Okay. Next, let me try MN. I think. Forgotten how to pronounce. MN comments.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me your name again? How to pronounce?
Sir, it's Iman.
Emon. Okay. Emon, can you read the fourth sum?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Fourth sum is not an activity sum, no? It is just a normal sum, correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me which is the activity sum? The one with boxes?
So it's the seventh question.
Seventh question. Okay, fine. Can you read the fourth sum?
Yeah, sure, sir. The marked price of the fan is 3,000 rupees.
Hmm.
Shopkeeper gave 12% discount on it. Find the total discount and selling price of the fan.
Okay. What all is given here?
So the marked price.
Marked price,
So it's the marked price is 3,000 rupees.
3,000 rupees. What else is given?
So the discount percentage, which is 12%.
Discount percent is equal to 12%.
Yeah,
And
so
what
and
all
the
is
selling
asked?
price is not given.
Okay. So selling price is asked, no?
Yes, sir.
One more thing is asked.
So total discount.
So discount is also asked. Okay.
Yes,
अच्छा,
sir.
first formula try कर लेते हैं. Mark price is how much? Is equal to, what is the formula?
3,000 rupees.
No. I'm asking what is the formula? First formula.
So mark price is equal to selling price plus discount.
अच्छा, इसमें से क्या क्या पता है?
So mark price.
We know mark price. Do we know selling price?
No, sir.
Do we know discount?
No, sir.
दोनों नहीं पता है, तो should we use this formula or not use this formula?
So we should not use this formula.
Okay. Can you tell me the second formula then?
So 12 upon 100.
पहले formula बताओ.
So discount upon my marked price.
Discount percent upon 100
100.
is equal to discount upon mark price.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Okay. Now let us substitute. What is discount percent?
So discount percent is 12.
12 upon 100.
Yes, sir.
Discount we need to find.
Yes, sir.
What is mark price?
So 3,000 rupees.
3,000. Okay. How do I find discount now?
So cross multiply.
So 3,000 if I take it there. So what will I get in the left side?
So discount.
Discount is equal to,
So 3,000 into 12 upon 100.
okay, what will get cancelled?
So the double zeros.
Two zeros will get cancelled. 3 12s का क्या होता है?
So 3 12 is 36.
So can I say this one more zero will make it 360?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm writing rupees here because I've asked for discount. So एक
Yes,
चीज
sir.
मिल गया. Now tell me, do we know discount also?
Yes, sir.
So can we find the selling price?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, इसको अगर arrange करें तो selling price is equal to क्या आएगा? Formula.
So mark price minus discount.
Mark price minus discount. Yes, which is equal to,
So which is equal to 3,000 minus 360.
okay, just check how much it is.
So it would be 2,640.
2,640. So finally we'll write selling price is equal to rupees 2,640. Is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Acha, your findings easy or hard?
So excuse me, I could not hear.
Is this easy or difficult?
So this was easy.
Okay, fine. Have you written your branch name?
No, sir, I forgot to write and then I could not rename.
Okay, fine. Okay, thanks, Iman. Uh, okay, let me try Karan from DN Nagar.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Karan.
Yes, sir.
Can you read the fifth sum?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The market price of the mixture is 2,300 rupees. A customer purchased it for rupees 1,955. Find the percentage of the discount offered to the customer.
Okay. तो can you tell me क्या क्या दिया है इधर?
The market price is equal to 2,000.
मार्केट प्राइस बोले या मार्क प्राइस बोले?
Marked price is equal to 2,300.
Mark price is equal to rupees 2,300.
And
वो लोग ने बोला कस्टमर का परचेस प्राइस नो जितने में उसने खरीदा.
yes, sir.
डू यू अग्री हाउ मच एवर कस्टमर बाइज इट फॉर शॉपकीपर उतने में ही सेल कर रहा है?
No, sir.
अरे शॉपकीपर सेल करेगा तो ही आप बाई करोगे ना.
हाँ, yes, sir, sorry.
तो अगर आप कस्टमर आप खरीद रहे हो उतने में ही शॉपकीपर आपको सेल कर रहा है ना.
Yes, sir.
तो कहना इसे कस्टमर का परचेसिंग प्राइस और शॉपकीपर का सेलिंग प्राइस दोनों एक ही बात है.
हाँ, yes, sir.
So I'm writing it as selling price. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
How much is the selling price?
Uh,
Hello.
155.
Can you say
Sir,
that again? आपका voice
1,000. Sir, 1,955.
55. Okay. And what is asked?
And they had asked that percentage for a discount offered.
Discount percent पूछा.
Yes, sir.
Correct. अच्छा फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला से स्टार्ट करते हैं.
Yes,
फर्स्ट
sir.
फॉर्मूला क्या है?
Sir, market price minus selling price.
Just a second. Hello, you all can see the board or you all can't see the board?
Sir, your screen has exceed.
अच्छा, okay. Fine, I think I'll just rejoin the screen. Just a second. Yes, I hope everyone can see it now. I think I was with Karan. Hello, Karan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we'll continue.
Yes, sir.
You had told me
can
the mark price was
So mark price was 2,300.
2,300 and
Selling
selling
price was
price
1,955.
1955 and discount percent we needed to find.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you were telling me first formula.
So selling price is equal to market price minus discount.
Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. Okay, you want to remember it this way, it's okay. Out of these, do we know mark price?
So market price is 2,300.
So we know this, no?
Yes, sir.
Do we know selling price?
So yes, sir. 1,955.
दो चीज पता है, तो can I use this formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start with that formula. Selling price
Sir,
equal to mark price minus discount.
yes, sir.
Okay. Acha, tell me, what is selling price?
Sir, selling price is 1,955 is equal to 2,300.
Minus discount.
Yes, sir.
माइनस डिस्काउंट को लेफ्ट में ले लो, 1955 को राइट में ले लो, तो क्या हो जाएगा?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Down.
Tell me. When minus
Sir.
discount goes to the left, what will it become?
Sir, is equal to the discount is equal to 2,300 minus 1,955.
Discount is equal to 2300 minus 1955. Check करो कितना है.
Is equal to.
Also, yeah.
So wait, sir.
Also, other students, you all also try it out and see if it's the correct answer.
Sir, is equal to 345.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes. What
Sir,
is the answer?
is equal to 345.
Okay. Others, just message me if it is the correct answer. Okay, yes. Everyone is agree. Okay. Fine. But Karan, we wanted to find discount or discount percent.
Sir, discount percent.
So second formula use करना पड़ेगा. Can you tell me what is the second formula?
Sir, X upon 100 is equal to discount upon
X means
market
discount
price.
percent. Huh?
Yes, sir. X is the discount. Discount is the X.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Discount
Upon market price.
Okay. अच्छा, discount percent we need to find. So
Yes, sir.
is equal to discount कितना है?
Sir, X.
नहीं, वो तो discount percent है, वो ढूंढना है. This we need to
हाँ.
find.
Sir, 345.
Either I'll
345.
write X upon 100.
Yes,
This
sir.
is 345.
Yes,
Upon
sir.
mark price कितना है?
2300.
2300. तो X is equal to क्या आएगा? ये 345 upon 2300 है. 100 उधर गया. 100 is going there.
Sir, wait,
क्या होगा?
you have written up wrong. That 340 you have written.
This is 45 only. Acha, sorry, here I've written wrong. Yeah.
Yes,
345. Correct.
Sir, 345 upon 2,500. 300. No, sir. In 200.
Into 100. So what will happen?
Sir, is that cross we want to do.
Anything will get cancelled?
Yes, cancel, sir. 20
What?
cancel.
20 cancel.
Yes, sir.
अब 345 and 23 को divide करो.
Yes, sir. So wait, sir, 2 minutes. is equal to 15 percentage.
Yes.
15 came.
So if we divide this properly, we'll end up getting 15%.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So final answer is discount percent
Discount is equal to 15 percentage.
15%. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Karan.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's take Amberlin.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Amberlin.
Yes, sir.
Which sum was this?
So that was the fourth sum.
Fourth sum.
No, the
Fifth
one.
sum. Can you read the sixth sum?
Yes. A shopkeeper gives 11% discount on a television set. Hence, the cost price of it is rupees 22,250. Find the marked price on the television set.
Okay. So can you tell me what all is given?
So discount percent is given.
Discount percent is how much?
11.
11%. Okay.
And marked price is given.
Mark price is how much?
22,250.
Rupees 22,250. So this not 222 and 50.
Yes.
Okay. What is asked?
We have to find the marked price.
But mark price diya hai na? Wait, let me read the sum 1 second. Okay. If I read the sum, they are saying the cost price is 22,250.
Yes,
Cost
sir.
price means what? Cost price means buying price. Cost price means how much you buy it for. But how will you buy it when someone sells it, no?
Yes.
So can I say shopkeeper selling price and your cost price is same?
Yes.
So this is not mark price, this is selling price.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is the thing that is given. For mark price, they'll have to write it as mark price only. Here they have not written mark price, they wrote cost price.
Okay.
So mark price we need to find. Okay, let's go to the first formula. Can you tell me what is the first formula?
Marked price is equal to selling price plus discount.
Selling price plus discount. Out of these three, what all do we know?
Only the selling price.
So can we use this?
No.
Okay, let's move on to the second formula. Tell me.
Discount percent upon 100
Discount percent upon 100.
is equal to discount upon marked price.
Discount upon. I'm
Mark-
writing MP for now. Mark price.
Yes.
Okay. Someone from Saidam is disturbing the class. I'll have to remove that person. Yeah. Discount percent. Fine. So let us substitute what all do we know. Out of these, what all can you substitute?
11 upon 100.
11 upon 100. But these two, both we don't know, correct?
Yes.
Remember what we did when Omkar was helping with the sum?
Yeah, we have to do the first formula.
First formula. Okay. So I'll write that here. Mark price is equal to
selling price plus discount.
selling price plus discount.
Yes.
Out of these three, we know selling price, correct?
Yes.
Mark price, we need to find mark price, so we need to get rid of discount. So यहाँ पे discount ढूंढो. So I'm writing MP is equal to selling price is 22,250 plus discount. Okay, arrange this. What will discount be equal to?
Mark price minus 22250.
Okay. Can I substitute that here?
Yes. MP minus 22250.
Upon MP.
MP.
Okay, you remember what we did after this?
Yes, we cross multiply.
Okay, so take MP there. So what will I get?
11 MP.
11 MP is equal to 100 will go there.
Yes.
So I'll get
100 bracket MP minus 22250.
okay. So 11 MP will remain 11 MP
Yes.
is equal to 100 into MP will be how much?
100 MP.
100 MP minus 100 into this will give you how much?
2225000.
Okay, very good. Acha, now arrange this.
100 M, 11 MP.
No, my suggestion is take this minus to the left and 11 MP to the right.
Okay. 2225000 is equal to 100 MP plus 11 MP
Plus 11 MP will go there and become plus only
minus MP.
minus 11 MP.
Yes.
Okay, what is the subtraction? One second. Yes, how much is the subtraction?
Just a second. 89.
89 MP.
Yes.
So MP is equal to this 89 is multiplying, no? It will go there and divide. So what will I get?
2225000 upon 89.
Okay, so you have to divide this now. My suggestion is keep the 000 as it is. Divide the remaining 2225 and 89. See if you're getting a proper answer. Hello, Amberlyn.
Yes, sir.
Can
Just
you
a second.
talk me through the process? See,
Yes.
22 is very small, so we'll have to take 222.
Yes.
So you're trying 89, how much, sir?
2, sir.
2, sir. So 2 9s are
It's coming to 178.
178. And if I go for 3s, sir, if I add 89,
It's coming
so
to
it is,
267.
so we'll have to go for what? 2 or 3?
2.
2. That is 178.
Yes.
So if you subtract it, how much is it coming? Twelve
So the
minus 8 is
final answer is coming to 25.
correct. If I subtract this, it's 4. Then if I carry forward 11 minus 7 is 4. And if I do 89 5s, I'll end up getting 445. So yes, MP is this much is 25. And again, there were 3 zeros.
Yes.
So can I say finally mark price
Price
is equal to
25,000.
rupees 25,000. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
We have done the same type of sum second time. Now you're finding it easy?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Amberley. Okay, next. We'll do one more sum today and then we'll stop. Okay, let me try Trisha. Trisha from JB Nagar. Trisha is not answering. Rushil from Ghatkopar. Tanmay from Ghatkopar. Hello, Tanmay.
Hello, sir.
Hello. हाँ, Tanmay. Seven sum is this, no? What do you say, activity?
Yes, sir.
So seven sum, mark it as homework. Okay. It is guiding you all how to do the sum. So you all try it. Next time we can discuss it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move on to the last sum for today. I think 8th is the last sum, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you read the last sum?
A shopkeeper decided to sell a certain item at a certain price. He taxed the price on the item by increasing the decided price by 25%. While selling the item, he offered 20% discount. Find how many more or less percent he gets on the decided price.
Okay. So this is a special sum. It's a different sum. They're telling us that the shopkeeper has decided to sell the price at a certain item. Okay? I said it the other way around. He has said that he wants to sell the item at a certain price. They have not told how much the price is. Then percentage के हिसाब से वो लोग आगे पीछे कर रहे हैं. So whenever it's only if the whole sum is based on percentage, so my suggestion is we can say let the selling that he is deciding how much to sell it for. So let the selling price, let's make it certain. Let the certain price be rupees 100. ठीक है? उसने decide किया he wants to sell at this price. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Tanmay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, read the first line. What do they say? What are they saying?
A shopkeeper decided to sell a certain item at a certain price.
Okay. So we have taken that certain price to be rupees 100.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Then second line, mein, what are they saying?
He taxed the price on the item by increasing the decided price.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
You went, your voice got cut in between. Again, read that second line.
He taxed the price on the item by increasing the decided price by 25%.
Okay. So वो बोल रहे हैं कि what he is doing is he has decided this price. ये अब उसका certain price है. He wants to tag मतलब लिखना है उसको price, or I can even call it as a mark price. तो mark price या tagged price वो क्या कर रहा है? He is increasing the decided price by 25%. Now there is a reason हम लोग ने 100 क्यों लिया? 100 इसलिए लिया क्योंकि 25% of 100 is 25 only. If I say 10% of 100, it is 10 only. If I say 90% of 100, it is 90 only. That is why we have assumed it to be 100. तो अभी मुझे परसेंटेज निकालने का जरूरत नहीं, जितना परसेंट है उतना ही रुपीज है. तो अगर 100 रुपीज डिसाइडेड प्राइस है, ही इज इंक्रीजिंग. तन्मय, इंक्रीजिंग मींस प्लस और माइनस?
Plus.
तो प्लस 25% of 100. Can I say it is 25 only?
Yes, sir.
So that
No,
becomes
120.
125. नहीं, 25% of 100 is 25, that is correct, but add
Yes.
करके अब 125 हो गया. सेकेंड लाइन समझ गया आपको?
Yes, sir.
अब थर्ड लाइन पढ़ो.
While selling the item, he offered 20% discount.
Okay.
Find how many more or less percent he gets on the decided price.
Okay. तो अब वो लोग डिस्काउंट परसेंट बता रहे हैं. डिस्काउंट परसेंट इज 20%. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now I want to find the selling price. Now it becomes the same type of sum. खाली स्टार्टिंग का ये अलग था, अब सेम हो गया. अभी मार्क प्राइस वो लोग ने दिया 125 है, डिस्काउंट परसेंट 20% है, और सेलिंग प्राइस ढूंढना है. ओके. तो तन्मय, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला?
Mark price is equal to selling price plus discount.
Do we know mark price? मिला है ना
Yes,
इधर?
sir. Yes,
Do we
sir.
know selling price or discount?
No, sir.
One second. Yes. We don't know two things, so can we use this formula or not?
No, sir.
Tanmay?
No, sir.
Okay. So tell me the other formula.
Sir, discount is equal to
Discount
MP
is equal
plus
to wrong here. Other form, second formula is discount percent
yes
upon
upon 100
is equal to. फॉर्मूला नहीं लिखा है आपने?
No, sir.
क्यों? Hello, Tanmay.
Yes, sir.
Why have you not written the formula?
Sir, discount is equal to selling price. Sorry.
No, I'm asking why you have not written the formula. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Why have you not written the formula? Hello. Hello, Tanmay. Yes, Nishita, let us continue the sum.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Nishita, can you tell me the
Yes,
second
sir.
formula?
Discount percent upon 100 is equal to discount upon mark price.
Upon mark price. Okay. So discount, इसमें जो पता है सब बताओ. Discount percentage is how much?
Discount percent is 20%.
So 20 upon 100
100
is equal to discount
upon
MP is how much?
125.
Okay. Let's take 125 there. So discount is equal to
125 multiplied by 20 upon 100.
okay.
Zero
Zero cancel.
cancel. Then 2 fives are 10.
2 5s are 10. And 5 how much are?
5 25s are.
25. So discount is rupees 25. Correct?
Yes.
Achha, now can we find the selling price?
Yes.
Okay. So इसको अरेंज करके बताओ सेलिंग प्राइस का फॉर्मूला क्या
selling
है?
price is equal to mark price minus discount.
Okay. Mark price is how much?
Mark price is 125.
Minus discount is how much?
Discount is 25.
So it is how much?
10.
125 minus 25
No,
is 10.
no.
How much is it?
100.
So rupees 100. Correct?
Yes.
Now, what is the last line? What is it asking?
Find how many more or less percent he gets on the decided price.
देखो ये decided price है और ये selling price है, correct?
Yes.
Is this more than this or is it less than this?
It is equal.
It is equal. So when they are asking how much more or less, you will say the selling
The selling
price is, yeah, you can make the symbol is equal to decided price बोल सकते हो या certain price बोल सकते हो, जो भी आपको बोलना है. This and this value is same.
Yes.
Correct? अगर ये
Yes.
105 होता, then what would you have said? अगर ये 105 होता,
The decided price is more than the
नहीं, the selling price is more, no? This is decided price is this. Certain या decided
Okay.
भी बोल सकते हैं ना इसको.
The selling price is more than the decided
5 rupees,
price.
sorry, you will say selling price is 5% more than decided price.
Yes.
अगर ये 95 होता तो क्या बोलते थे?
The selling price is less
5%
than the
less.
certain price.
वो समझ गया इतना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll do one more sum like this next time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fine, everyone. I'll see you all mostly on Monday. We'll finish this chapter and our 8th standard portion will be done. Okay. Thank you, Nishita. Fine, everyone. I'll see you all then.